In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell crypto on Binance in the most cost-effective way possible. Selling your crypto can be a little daunting if you're new to it, but with these clear step-by-step instructions, you'll find it straightforward and efficient. So, let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to log into your Binance account. If you're not already a Binance member, you'll have to sign up and complete any necessary verification steps. This ensures the security of all your transactions. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Binance homepage. Now, let's navigate towards trading on the peer-to-peer or P2P market. Hover over the Trade tab at the top of the screen, and from the drop-down menu, select P2P. The peer-to-peer platform allows you to buy and sell directly with other users, often providing more favorable rates and reduced fees compared to traditional exchanges. Once you're on the P2P trading page, you'll want to tap on the Sell button. This is where you can decide which cryptocurrency you'd like to sell. For example, if you have USDT, you can select it from the list of cryptocurrencies available. Make sure to check your account balance first to know exactly how much you can sell. After you've selected the cryptocurrency, the next step involves choosing a buyer. This is a crucial step to ensure you receive the best deal. Browse through the list of potential buyers and take note of their offered rates. It's also important to check their trading history and ratings to ensure they're reliable. Opt for a buyer who offers zero fees, as this will maximize your earnings. Now it's time to specify how much cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Enter the amount you're comfortable selling, keeping in mind any minimum or maximum limits the buyer might have set. Once you've entered the amount, go ahead and confirm your choice. At this stage, the transaction is in progress. The buyer will make the payment to you by your preferred method. Keep a close eye on your payment method of choice to confirm that the payment has been received. Once you have indeed received the payment, it's time to release the crypto from your end. This final step ensures that both parties fulfill the transaction requirements, wrapping it up cleanly and safely. And there you have it, selling your crypto on Binance is complete. Remember, P2P trading can be a cost-efficient way to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. Always ensure your security settings are up to date, and be vigilant with whom you choose to trade. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and happy trading.